Hello everyone, I'm Payal Zadhav and my presentation topic is Challenges and Opportunities of E-commerce. So let's start with the challenges of the e-commerce. First challenge is poor infrastructural problem. The major e-commerce infrastructure are available computer, mobile and electronic device of a buyers and the sellers, available internet service provider and internet penetration rate, quality and speed of a internet connectivity. But the logistic and the supply chain infrastructure and the financial infrastructure are not up to the mark for conducting e-commerce business in India. Second challenge is lack of proper cyber laws. Cyber security is a vital tool for maintaining trust in the e-commerce business. India needs reform and make the law according to the type of offenses. For this proper implementation, the cyber law should be standard so that individual property rights, the privacy of data and contents, data protection should be reserved with its commercial and the criminal area of a law. The third challenge is lack of a privacy and security. The privacy and the information of a buyers and the traders should be secure for maintaining the trustworthy business relations, because sometimes data may be used by the criminal groups for hacking customers and the traders money, which decrease trust of a e-commerce business. Lack of a privacy and security is a big challenge for e-commerce business in India. Privacy has been and continue to be significant issue of a concern for both current and the prospective electronic commerce customers. The third challenge Next challenge is virus problem. A computer virus is a threat to e-commerce business. Indian e-commerce is not out of the influence of the harassment. A computer virus is a tough problem for execution of e-commerce in India. Many buyers and graders are worried about a computer virus. As a result, their trust level on e-commerce are very low. Fifth challenge is consumer perceptions. Consumer perception is an important element of e-commerce business. E-service replacements may seem unfamiliar, artificial and non-authentic in comparison to traditional service processing methods. Consumers may believe that new internet-based processing methods expose them to new potential risks, the danger of online fraud and identify theft. The sixth challenge is the confidence of customers for payment and tax related issues. Most of the peoples of rural areas are not aware of the tax related issues. As a result, it creates some problems in the e-commerce business. People are anxious about the products which are available in the e-commerce business because of the price which is integrated with tax. Another issue is related to the payment system. People do not want to use their credit cards for online payment to avoid fraudulent activities. Let's discuss the opportunities of the e-commerce. First is strategies for growth. The growth rate of e-commerce in India is mentionable and higher than other countries. In terms of e-commerce, it places the third position in the world. But due to lack of a proper IT infrastructure, logistic support and financial infrastructure, it faces challenges for its development. The smartphone users and internet subscribers in India are growing rapidly, which stimulate the e-commerce growth in India. Now e-commerce traders provide a wide range of service from daily necessities to logistics, which help them to spread the e-commerce business all over in India. Second is low inventory cost. Inventory cost is an important element for maintain business. E-commerce traders are getting benefit for reducing their inventory cost due to living as a big country like India. It helps them to minimize the cost by storing the product at any places in India. It also provides a big opportunity for e-commerce traders to provide just-in-time (JIT) services. The forecast the demand of a product more accurately. Third is better customer service. E-commerce is the best approach to provide maximum level customer service in terms of a low cost, quality product and just in time. Customer satisfaction is an asset for businessmen to increase their business growth. Best level of a customer's satisfaction can be given by e-commerce business. In this business, both traders and customers get benefit from it. It is an alternative system of a traditional business which provides an opportunity to deal their business from distant places and without physical interaction by saving money, cost and minimizing risk. Fourth is quick marketing of products. Since e-commerce is mainly based on internet and connected with the virtual arena, so it is a big opportunity for e-commerce traders to do marketing to the large number of people through various social networking sites and websites. It is a platform to explain all details about the product of its customers. E-commerce is providing a complete solution for purchasing the products from online and pay online by avoiding so many types of hassle and risk. It provides an opportunity to reach the product information to people of a domestic as well as abroad within a short time. These are challenges and opportunities of e-commerce business. Thank you.